As parents, we know how hectic those after-school hours can be. Between work, errands, and juggling schedules, it's a relief to have a safe, nurturing environment for our children until we can pick them up. At Young Fan Afterschool, we provide that peace of mind with our reliable pickup services and state-of-the-art outdoor playground. Our trusted staff will ensure your child is picked up safely from school and transported directly to our facility. They'll be welcomed into a caring, secure environment from the moment they arrive. But it's not just a holding area, it's a place for them to thrive and let off that pent-up energy. Our sprawling outdoor playground is a wonderland of swings, slides, climbing structures, and plenty of room to run, jump, and play. With our completely fenced-in and closely supervised play area, you can have peace of mind knowing your child is safe and having an absolute blast. Young Fan Afterschool, where your child's safety, fun, and growth are our top priorities. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.